Hello students, today we will establish the microscopic form of Ohm's law, which is J equals sigma into E. In the previous lecture, I told you about J, which is the electric current density, whose magnitude is equal to I divided by A, where I is the current flowing through the conductor and A is the cross-sectional area of the conductor. In this particular proof, I'll be using the term sigma, which is electrical conductivity of a given conductor, and I in my last lecture told you that this sigma is equal to NE square tau divided by M. What is this N? Electric current density of the conductor. The number of electrons per unit volume of the conductor. What is this E? This is electronic charge. This tau is the relaxation time of electron, and this M is the mass of the electron. I'll be using this particular formula. One more thing which I will use is E, which is the electric field intensity inside the conductor. Okay, now let's begin the proof of it. In your class 12th, you have proved that the potential difference V applied across the ends of a conductor is equal to the product of current flowing through the conductor and resistance of the conductor, which is V is equal to IR. Now assume that you have a conductor like this, which has cross-sectional area A, length L, across the ends of which a potential difference of V volt is maintained and current I flows through the conductor. As a result of this potential difference, an electric field E will set up inside the conductor. If L is length of the conductor and V is the potential difference, then you know that V divided by L, that is potential difference per unit length, will be equal to electric field intensity. Now what do we have? You have V is equal to I into R. I am putting the expression for R, which is R is equal to ml upon Na E square tau. Here M is mass of the electron, L is length of the conductor, N is the electron density of the conductor, A is the cross-sectional area of the conductor, E is the electronic charge, and tau is the relaxation time of electron. If I put this value of R, you will get V is equal to I into ml upon Na E square tau, which can further be written as V divided by L. I'm transferring L to that side and I here beneath and A here beneath I, so that I'll get V by L is equal to I divided by A into M upon N E square tau. Now what is this? V by L is equal to E, I divided by A is equal to J into M upon N E square tau. I can further write it as J is equal to, you take it there so that you get N E square tau divided by M, N E square tau divided by M into E. I have transferred N E square tau and M to that particular site, so that I get J is equal to, this is N E square tau divided by M. At the very outset I have told you this is equal to sigma. So sigma into E. So finally we get J is equal to sigma E. Hence, we see that the electric current density J is equal to the product of sigma, the electrical conductivity of the conductor, and the electric field intensity inside the conductor. So this is your proof of the microscopic form of Ohm's law. Thank you very much.